Hello, John. How are you? So we're finally done with the demo, and well, it's been a rough ride, but it's been an interesting one. So without further ado, let's start with the web demo. Now, as you can see, we have the client portal here. This is the place where the client would come and make his account and make the interface for the calendar that we would ship to him. Now, this is a sample login. The username is Team7 and the password is 123456. I will send you all the details in a text message as well. So let's sign in. Now, this is the interface, and as you can see, the interface has various options. I will go over all the options, but for now, I'm only going to tell you how to link a screen. Now, there is another sample URL that we made for the web demo. It's app.salamander.com. Now, here, where you can see we have a passcode. We will have to add that passcode, but the user will have to follow these options that are written below. Let's go to display and devices. We are already here. Let's go to display and devices. Let's add a display as written here, and add your own display device because it's
Great.
okay. Let's name it test for now. Okay, so now as you can see it's unlinked. Now let's link the device. As you can see, we also have the instruction here: link the device or the TV if it is present, and we will use this code to link the device with it. Now this is a encrypted code through which the right device will be linked, and now the device is linked. Now we will jump back and refresh the screen. Okay. Yeah, the previous password actually expired. Let me link it again. Let's link it. So there is a check for. Okay, we have to assign it the screen. Now we have to assign it the lobby screen. Since we made it the lobby screen here, let's assign the screen. Now, since we have two displays, there will be no confusion for the normal user. Now, as soon as we have assigned him the lobby screen, the display has started, and this is the view for the display. Now, the user can control all the features from this display. Now, this is the lobby screen, which is being shown here. Let's go and edit the screen. Now, we have a lot of options where the user can come and he can also modify most of the things like the color and everything. Let's change the display to 2 weeks. Okay, it's changed. Now let's reload it. And as you can see, we have 2 weeks on the display now. And there are a lot of various other settings like the news feed. We can also start a news feed if we want to. Now for that, we would need to enter a URL, for example, BBC. Now the URL has to be fetched from BBC. There is a BBC XML URL that we can get. So from here, we can link the news URL for the user. And now the news will be displayed here. Now, the news is just for those users who actually want the news, like the latest news or upcoming news, or even the news from their region. So, we will make a small tutorial to guide them how to access this. Now, there are some other features as well. The setting screen, we can change the screen name as well, and we can also set the font size here, basic default settings. Let's reload and check it out. We have made a small mini job that will constantly reload once we make changes to the user's device from this panel, so the user can see most updated results at that time. Okay, so this is the screen after that, and well, this is the entire demo. Please test out the screen. I will also make you verbal notes, so please let me know what you think about it, and well, excited for moving on to phase two then. Thank you, John. Goodbye.